We are all women from all walks of life, but we had one thing in common. We wanted more. More freedom, more income, more time. And we are done waiting. I'm Dana. I'm an IT manager living in Ontario, Canada. And just like many moms out there, I've always worked hard to provide for my family. But deep down, I knew I needed something more. A plan B that could give me security.
I wanted to leave my kids a legacy, but starting a traditional business was way too expensive.
I work in admin, housekeeping, and drive Uber part-time. Even with all that, we are living from paycheck to paycheck, and our paycheck never seems to keep up all the bills and rent expenses.
I've always craved for extra time, extra hours to do God's work and do family time, which my regular work would not give to me.
I didn't want to be an immigrant forever. I wanted to be close to my aging parents and be available for them whenever they need me.
I wanted to do something for myself while still being fully present for my kids.
I moved to the US 11 years ago to build a better life, but I barely had any time for my family.
Then I found this online business. It's low cost with the automation system.
100% legitimate.
It's designed for busy people like me.
It didn't ask for any experience, and all the income that I earned from this business was taxable.
What makes it even better is the 24/7 access to a global support team. People who are ready to help you anytime.
This business has given something that I had never before: flexibility.
Not that I only have a business of my own, I have ample time to do several other things that I yearn to do that I could not have been doing before.
Even it runs while I'm at work and asleep. And one day, I can pass it on to my kids.
What I didn't expect was how much I love helping others do the same. This business isn't just about making an income. It's about empowering others to build their dreams too.
It's been 6 years since I started this business, and we have come back to India. We are living close to our aging parents. We have our own farmhouse, and the life has completely changed.
If you are feeling stressed like I was, this could be your answer too.
We took the first step, and it has changed everything for us.
If we can do it,
then you can too.
This business changed our lives.
Now it's your turn.